Hi everyone, my name is Ravi Bista, and in this video I'm going to talk about the second dose in IELTS essay writing. Before I talk about second dose in IELTS essay writing, I would like to talk about what's the first one. The first one is you gotta vary your language of expression as much as possible. And the second one is, here we go. You gotta link your ideas, paragraphs, sentences, and maintaining overall flow of the essay. So you got to maintain overall flow of the essay. So how do you do that? So you have two devices to do that. One we call it as Cohesion, another one as Coherence. So what's the difference between these two? Now, Cohesion is a micro level feature of the text that connects words and sentences, whereas Coherence, apart from connecting sentence structure, it also connects paragraphs, maintains the overall flow of the paragraph, and unites the whole essay structure. And that includes justifying your topic sentence, illustrating your thesis statement, summarizing your idea, thereby uniting the sentence, flow, paragraph, and the flow of the essay as a whole. Okay, let us go with the example. Here we go. Cohesion. Now, let's look at this sentence first. This is, I would say, a weak sentence. It says, now we already get an idea about what this is about. It's about pond. It says, the pond is old, sentence number 1. It has historical importance. 2, it looks very dirty. 3, the locals dump their garbage. 4. Now see, it's a very short sentence, and this does not have this connectedness. So how do we do that is, check this out. We could stick this into just one single unit of a sentence. Now see here, the old and historical pond looks dirty because the locals dump their garbage in there. So this is much better version of these sentences. Let us look into the second one. Martha studies every day. So it says what she does every day. It means she studies every day. It also says she studies. So again, you're repeating the same thing. 5 hours a day. She studies every day, and that's 5 hours. Yet she failed in the test. Instead of this sentence structure, the better version would be this. Although Martha spent, look, we've used the term although. Now when you start with a connective word this way, it also means you're using complex sentence structure, which is a good way of doing it. So although Martha studied 5 hours every day, she failed the test. So this is dependent clause, and this is independent clause. Let's move further. Okay, let's look into a paragraph label. Here we go. The resort is famous. It is widely known resort in the country. The latest international modeling competition was held at the resort. The resort spent a lot of money to advertise the event, because the resort wanted to gain international reputation. However, not many people attended the event. Now let's view the clustered view of this paragraph. It's short and meaningful, and it has unity among sentence level as well. Check this out. The resort, which is one of the most well-known resorts in this region, wanted to promote its image globally by hosting the latest international modeling competition. Although the event was extensively advertised, not many people participated in the competition. So I would suggest the student to go with this version, the better version of the paragraph or the sentence construction. So that also gives a flow to a paragraph. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Coherence. Check this paragraph. I like reading books. It passes time creatively. Earlier, when I did not read books, I was weak in English. My comprehensive skill was far below average. When I started reading books, I improved in both the aspects. Today, books have helped me to be creative and imaginative, which I was not in my high school. Now, what is the better version of this? See, a paragraph should be coherent. Books have been my creative way to pass time. This reading habit has not only developed my comprehensive and language skills, but it has also made me creative and imaginative. So it's a third version again, as I said, and it gives a feel to the examiner, and it's easy to understand as well. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Now let's see this paragraph again. Internet has become a serious threat to many lives. Now this is a topic sentence. So by this sentence, a reader already knows what the writer is going to support. Here it says, so what is a serious threat to many family lives? So the culprit is internet. Now, the best way to bring that coherence-ness, I would say, is by justifying, illustrating how internet is a serious threat. Check this out. Father and mother are busy on their own. They do not have communication. Today, family members do not eat together. They call each other on phone or text via different apps. This has created a distance among each other. Hence, emotional and psychological needs have been overtaken. Now let's see the same version, a much better one. Internet has become a serious threat in the lives of many family members, with each of the members busy either at social media or surfing internet. Face-to-face communication has ceased, and dining together has become a fairy tale. Today, once lively interaction and conversation has been shifted to various apps such as Viber and WhatsApp. Therefore, we are near but far, and the distance has overtaken our emotional and psychological needs. So that means this is a beautifully woven and presented well. It's easy to read and it has the flow. And maintaining the flow of the paragraph in another word is known as coherence. Okay, I hope you found the video useful. Until we meet in the next video, I would like to sign off. Hats off, goodbye, and take care and protect yourself from all this enemy.